Hare Krishna. Welcome to Splash Mridanga Learning. My name is Mukund and I'll be instructing you. So in the last lesson, which was the seventh lesson, we had learned how to play a really special beat, and it is very long but pretty easy, like according to me. So we're going to practice that. So the mantra that we had learned in the last lesson was Ge ti tha kekena ti ketika kekena ti ketika kekena ti ketika ge dhinna. So that was the mantra that we had learned for last week. So we are going to be practicing that for just a little bit. So we are going to go in slow, then medium, then fast speed. So that was a slow speed. Now we'll go to medium speed. So now we'll go to the fast speed. So that's what we had learned in the last lesson. So in this lesson, we'll be learning another beat, and that will be like a new and pretty advanced one. So it will not be so advanced also, but it is going to be pretty easy. And so that that mantra will be maybe easy for some people or hard for some people, so we'll begin with it. So the mantra is Ge ti tha Ge ti dha ge dhenna ti kheti kha khenna. So I'll say it again. Ge ti dha ge khenna ti kheti kha khenna. So that's the mantra. So I'll quickly play it so that you know how it sounds. So it is like so that's how it sounds like. So we'll start with it. So first it is Ge ti dha ge dhanna. So that's like the first part that I consider. So first it is Ge and then Ti. So Ge is 4 fingers left open, Ge, and then Ti is 3 fingers right closed, Ti, and then Dha is 4 fingers left open, and with that it is also 1 finger right open, so that is Dha, and then Ge again. So we've learned the first 4 beats like of the first part, which is like, so Ge, then Ti, then Dha, which is Ge and Ta, which equals Tha, and then Ge again. So then the last two beats. So this one's pretty hard one. So it might be a little pretty hard. So I mean it's kind of pretty hard. So like it is ge, and then T. So ge is again 4 fingers left open, and then T is 3 fingers right closed, and then na. So na. That's just ta. So there is nas of two types. One is ti and one is ta. So this one is a ta, basically a ta, na. So yeah. So the first part is ge di tha ge dina. So ge di tha ge dina. And then next it is ti, 3 fingers right closed, ti, and then k, 5 fingers. So this is the first time I'm playing this beat in this mantra. So it is K. So 5 fingers left closed, and then T again. 3 fingers right closed, T, and then Kha is 5 fingers left closed, but it is also with Ta. 1 finger right open, and then it is K again. So K is just 5 fingers left closed. Then after K, it is kin. So like dhin, it is kin. So it is basically K and T. So kin. And then na again. Like, so the first part ends with na and the second part ends with na. So it's kind of similar with the beats, how many beats there are. In the second part, there is more, according to the first part. So now I can show you it in the 3 speeds, and you can actually I'm going to do 4 speeds. You don't have to do the 4th one because it's super fast, and so like you can come back to this video some other day and then do that one, so till the time in that middle of those days you practice this mantra, and then you like you get good till super fast, then you come and practice super fast over here. So that's what I mean, super fast speed. So we can start with slow now. So the mantra is ge ti dha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. So before, when I was teaching you the mantra, you might have seen it coming down here, like the words of the mantra. So we'll start doing it in the 3 speeds. So we are going to start at slow. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. So now we are going to go to the medium speed. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. So now we can go to the fast speed. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti tha. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. Ge di tha ge dhinna ti kheti kha khenna. we can go to super fast. So as I said, you can come back to this lesson and then watch it again to do the super fast part. So here. Geti tha ge dhana ti geti ka khana geti tha ge dhana ti geti ka khana geti tha ge dhana ti geti ka tha ge dhana ti geti ka khana geti tha ge dhana ti geti. So that is the super fast speed. So the super fast speed and the fast speed, like the speeds that I played right now, they are really like what mostly the speed that you will be playing in Kirtan if you were like if you know the beat very well, and then you're playing it on a Kirtan, then mostly in the Kirtan speeds you play this. When I was playing fast and super fast, those are the speeds where in which speed you have to play this in the Kirtan usually, mostly. I mean, so yeah, and then this mantra might be easy for someone and hard for someone, and it might take a lot time for somebody to learn it and some time for somebody to learn it. So now the next part is I'll demonstrate the part in which Kirtan, like in which tune, for example, you can play this mantra in. So one is like, so it can be like Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So that's one part where you can play it like this mantra on. So this is the end of today's lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to watch more such videos. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol.